to their mind is 20 million problems. Did you see that? But tonight I want to share a different perspective. To cover 20 million, that is 20 million opportunities, 20 million solutions, 20 million vessels of God. Album was not created in the likeness of God, no, but no. So even when I was walking in Tazakab and we are more than 40. So for me I see 40 solutions, 40 vessels of God, 40 opportunities for Malawi. Did you say that? Project M for me, it means if everyone coming together and believing in Malawi, but Malawi can be better. Malawi is great. Malawi is full of potential. Are we together? Yeah. Project M. Project M. This is a ghetto story, a successful story of someone who never imagined, or maybe he had this imagination, this dream would I can go that far. Come for most of us, it was a story.
Of course. Ndi the classmate. Benjamin and I'm present to Zinazi. Ine Chumaningangu Nina Jodi. Sometimes in life we don't need to take things for granted because we don't know what comes tomorrow. Today you can be nobody, tomorrow you can become someone else. At the beginning, I said I don't have a classmate. Ask me, I didn't go favor with my education, but the way I sound like someone else. Okay. First of all, you need to have confidence in yourself. You need to believe in yourself that you can make it in life. There were some people we are here celebrating about 1 year of Project M. There were some people who started the project. So why fail the necessary of the project is very important, and we want to encourage guys, keep on going. You don't know what comes tomorrow.